back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pauline Okenga. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to talk about how you can decorate your living area, specifically your table, using tray and other functional and decorative items. Let's get into the video. I have really been looking for this tray and I was lucky enough to get it. I've been looking for a wooden tray and by good luck I found one that has grids on it. I love the grids, I love the details on the tray. I'm also appreciative of the fact that I got to work with these two glass items. They blend very much because of the brown color, so I decided to blend them or put them together so that they can blend each other. And the smaller glass item is just a simple glass that you use on a normal day at home, but for this project I decided to use it for holding toothpicks, and because it does not have a lid, I saw it best to use toothpicks that have that are covered, that are wrapped so that it doesn't collect the dust in the living room. The living room most of the time tends to collect dust from outside. So for me, I decided to use the glass item to hold wrapped toothpicks so that by the time the person using the toothpick decides to use them, they will be using clean toothpicks. I also used serviettes for this project. I used serviettes so that the people at the living room area can have something to use while they're using the living room or taking a snack or eating. So it depends on what you see functional in your living room area. So for me, the serviettes were functional. Yeah, you can use either scented or unscented candle for this project so that when you are in need of it, for example, when we are facing blackouts, you can easily access the candle in this area. You can also add to it candle holders so that when you're using the candle doesn't ruin your glass items or your wooden items on the table. So for this project I was able to purchase these items and I feel like they are both decorative and functional. Please let me know which other item you can add on the list to make your table or living area more appealing. All these items were purchased from different places, but I love that the color brown is common in all of them, and the two glass pieces are almost the same. One would think that they were bought from the same place, but they weren't. So I decided to take time. I took enough time to go to the market, look for the different items. It took me around a month or a month and a half to get the different items. I was patient enough. So just have in mind what you want and don't be so rigid on your ideas. You are allowed to change your ideas. You are even allowed to change your colors, because you might have something in mind and then when you go to the market you find that you get something that is completely different. But for me, I was sure that I wanted to have a wooden tray for this project, and thank God I had the opportunity to get the wooden tray. And also I love the fact that it has the different boxes. How do we call it, the grids, if I may call it, the grids on it. So it makes it look more appealing to look at. And also I love the fact that the table has its separate space for these things. So I'm going to add some more items that might be necessary as time goes by, but for now the most functional items that I need for the project are there. I have the toothpicks, I have the serviette, I also have the candle, which I might change as time goes by, but for now the serviette and the toothpicks are more functional because this is a living room area, and as people use the living room, so will they need these items. And the other glass item doesn't have anything on it, but it just makes me feel like it looks good. It looks good that way. It looks good next to the other glass item because of the color combination, the white, the brown, and the plain brown on the other one. And it doesn't have to be so functional. All items don't have to be so functional, so don't uh, stress yourself looking for all functional items. Some are just there for decoration, and once in a while it's important for you to dust them, because the living room area sometimes gathers a lot of dust. So once in a while, dust them and clean them to make your space even more appealing and comfortable too. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this video. Join me next time as we look for other ways to decorate our space for a better mental and physical well-being. See you next time. Bye.